Pedro had a 700 cm long rope. He cut it into 3 pieces, A, B, and C. The length of rope A was divisible by 3 and 7. The total length of rope B was 4 times the length of rope A. The length of rope C was longer than the length of rope A, but actually shorter than the length of rope B. What was the length of rope C? First question. The second question, what is the total length of A and B? Now, to do this question, we can develop for ourselves some values for rope A. Okay, so take note, rope A is divisible by 3 and 7. What does this mean? It means that rope A is a common multiple of 3 and 7. For example, 21. This is one possible rope A length, because 21 is a multiple of 3 and 7, and it can divide by 3. It can also divide by 7. Okay, so we will make some guesses as such, and from there we find a rope B's length by multiplying by 4, and then we evaluate rope C by doing a subtraction. Okay, so let's try. Length of rope A, length of rope B, length of rope C, and then we can do a check. Okay, the check for us is the last statement. The length of rope C must be longer than A but shorter than B. Alright, now let's try. So the first value we can try with is 21 centimeter. Now if A is 21, what is B then? 21 times 4, that will be equals to 84 cm. And C will just be 700 minus 21 minus 84. Okay, 700 minus 21 minus 84, and this, wow, is quite a long length of rope. So is this a possible combination? Answer is no, because C must be longer than A. Yeah, it is longer than A, but it must be shorter than B. It is not shorter than B, so this is not a good option. Now next up, what we do is we will just come to the next common multiple by multiplying by 2. Alright, so that will be 42 cm. And for B, it will be 42 times 4, 168 cm. And C will just be the difference. $490. Oh, this is also too long, right? It is longer than A, but it is not shorter than B. Okay, so this is out. Alright, then you can try with 63. Add 21, add 21. Okay, 63, check first whether it's really divisible by 3 and 7. Yes, it is divisible by 3. Yes, it is divisible by 7 also. 63 times 4, 252 cm. And the balance will be for C. .385, slightly long. Okay, because this is longer than A, but this is not shorter than B. Okay, now we try another one. Add 21, so you will have 84 cm for A. 84 times 4, 336. And for C, we do a subtraction. .280 cm, and this is our winning combination because C is now longer than A and also shorter than B. This is tick. So what was the length of a rope C? That will be 280 centimeter. Part B, what is the total length of A and B? That will be 84 plus 336. Final answer, 420 centimeter. Or you can take 700 minus 280 as well. That works for part B.